Tonight, a revolution glides silently into the spotlight. This is not merely a luxury sedan, it is a technological beast, a game-changer redefining the future of automotive excellence. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class arrives with renewed authority, and its presence is nothing short of shocking. From the outside, the 2026 S-Class projects confidence like a perfectly tailored couture suit. Subtle design refinements sharpen its silhouette, with smoother surfaces, enhanced aerodynamics, and intelligent lighting that slices through the night with precision. The updated digital light system now projects guidance symbols and warnings onto the road, turning illumination into communication. Flush detailing, refined chrome accents, and commanding proportions confirm its flagship status instantly. Step inside, and the world recalibrates. The cabin of the 2026 S-Class feels like a next-generation executive lounge fused with a digital command center. A refined OLED hyperscreen interface dominates the dashboard, paired with an upgraded MBUX system powered by advanced AI learning. Materials reach new standards: sustainably sourced Napa leather, precision-cut wood, and ambient lighting with expanded color intelligence. Rear seat executive packages now rival private aviation comfort. This is not an interior, it is controlled tranquility. Beneath the surface, performance evolves intelligently. The 2026 S-Class continues with turbocharged inline-6 and V8 engines, now further optimized with next-generation EQ Boost mild hybrid technology. Power delivery is smoother, quieter, and more responsive. Acceleration feels effortless rather than aggressive. Updated air suspension with predictive road scanning makes imperfect surfaces vanish, while enhanced rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability in dense urban centers. This car does not chase speed, it perfects composure. Safety and innovation reach new territory. The 2026 S-Class expands its driver assistance suite with improved sensor fusion, longer-range LiDAR, and smarter real-time decision-making. In approved premium markets, enhanced Level 3 autonomous driving allows true hands-off operation in specific conditions, including traffic congestion. Predictive occupant protection systems prepare the cabin before impact scenarios even occur. This is safety as foresight. Market positioning remains uncompromising. The 2026 S-Class faces rivals such as the BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and technology-first competitors like the Tesla Model S. Pricing reflects its dominance. In the United States, the S500 starts around $118,000, while European and UK markets see higher figures depending on specification. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is more than a flagship. It is a statement of modern power, technological leadership, and timeless prestige. Don't forget to subscribe to our review for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. Which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.